I don't know how you do it.
Hey my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you for taking the time out of your day to come and hang with me. I pray that you enjoy and get something accomplished today, and if you did enjoy, please hit that subscribe and become a part of the bestie crew. To my OGs and my new news, hey y'all, thank you for being here. I appreciate you and I love you. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Hello, besties. Here is a very small, ridiculously expensive grocery haul. We went to Aldi's and Save-A-Lot and John Niggle. John Niggle, we picked up the cheddar jack and what is the snack mix stuff. Those are for Preston. We got the flavored potato chips. Those are for us. They got the kiddo chips. This is for them. This is puffin corn. You know, that Hollis popcorn. We also got butter. We got, what is this? Yams. And jelly cranberry sauce. I picked up some, what is this called? Sliced cheese, sour cream. There's a cheese ball, because you know my husband loves those balls. I picked these up. I saw these at Aldi's. They're called breakfast bites. And these are French toast meatballs. So I figured I'd pair those with the actual French toast sticks and see what we get. If it tastes any good, I'll let you know. We also picked up 2 of the sausages. I picked up 2 of the 4 cheese mashed potatoes. I don't know if I said salsa, but there's salsa. I got 2 loaves of bread. There's a thing of hot dog buns. Also picked up from Save-A-Lot. We picked up this. I picked up the broccoli and cheese. I picked up some chopped spinach, and I got the mega fillets. If you want to get a Chick-fil-A dupe filet, this is what it is. It's called Mega Fillets by Banquet. These are just the original ones, but they do have spicy. But this is the dupe for the Chick-fil-A sandwiches, or the chicken. Also from Save-A-Lot, we picked up 2 cases of water, a case of Pepsi, and a case of Mountain Dew. And for dinner tonight, we are having pizza. Well, the kids in person are having pizza. I am eating a burger. We also picked up our medicines. And that is all for this ridiculously expensive tiny haul. Let's put it away.
You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Like every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care. With you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go.
I picked this washing machine cleaner up from Dollar Tree. That's where I got these from. You get 3 in there and they all work pretty much the same. Make sure to read the directions, and it cleans the inner tube. Now what I did was I did not use the cleaning function on my washing machine. I followed the directions and used the directions.
Don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go.
Now right here I was trying to make the soap powder fit over there because I had a whole plan. I was trying to make this like my overflow cleaning little holder area, because you know I don't have no linen closets and stuff like that everywhere, so I'm trying to make storage where I can, but it doesn't work out that way. And you'll see I move it all the way over here onto the other side of the washing machine, because that's where I'm going to keep that TikTok laundry detergent and put everything else on top of that dryer.
A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in an aeroplane, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in an aeroplane, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
I hope you are enjoying our time together and getting something done. And if you're still here hanging with me, drop me some bubbles or some sponge emojis down in the comments.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute.
if you're following me on Facebook, you would have seen that that was a dead bird that I found in my basement, and I still don't know how he got in here.
There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No time outs. Wish we could fly away. You.
Alright, my besties, so I am done. This took me a day because it wasn't a lot to just move stuff around and clean it up. So that's for me. For someone else who may have a lot more to declutter, I would not suggest trying to tackle it in a day. Do zones like I did and get them moved to where you want it to go. It's going to be messy. You're going to be anxious. It is what it is. You still need to get it done. So that's how you should work. I'm going to show you the piles. I have one pile for trash, and I need my men to take that out because I'm not. And I have my pile for stuff that I'm going to give away, take it to the Goodwill or whatever, and that's it. So after I show you those two piles, please enjoy the after shots. I love you. Do all the things. Please subscribe if you're new. Smash that like, comment down below, and share this video out because your girl needs to grow. Now, with that being said, I love you, and I will catch you in the next one.
Go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me. Go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me and you. Go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting the shots, but I want to say the water, these water jugs are just regular water, tap water. We do not drink these. These are for when they shut our water off unexpectedly or whatever the case may be, and we need to flush the toilet. We know that we can put 2 gallons into one tank to get a flush. So for those of you that may be somewhere where they cut the water off frequently, or they have busting pipes or whatever, start filling up your jugs, milk jugs, any kind of container that's not defective, and just put the tap water in it and just put it in the basement or someplace in a storage unit or a storage room somewhere, so that in the event that you need to flush your toilets, you can do so because you have the water put to the side.
We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.